Hi guys, let's get started with easy Steam Leaderboards. Let's create a new project and set it up and then retrieve some entries from a leaderboard, and also let's upload a new score. Okay, let's get started with creating a new Unity project. Okay, yes, let's name it as ESL setup. Okay. Okay, so now in a new project, let's import the package. I have downloaded the package offline, so I'll import the custom package here. So this is the package which I have downloaded. So you have the Steamworks.net included in this as well. So if you already set up the Steamworks.net, then you can safely ignore all these three folders except the Red Force Games folder. You can uncheck all the other folders and then just import the Red Force Games folder if in case you have set up Steamworks.net, or else you can just include everything. So I'll include everything since this is a fresh project. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so the console says the Steam app ID is not present, but anyway, the default steamworks.net app ID is 480, which we will be using right now. Okay, now we'll do a quick fetch using the code. So initially we need to set it up. Let's go to Red Force Games, Easy Steam Leaderboards, and then prefabs, and then in your first scene drag and drop both of these, Easy Steam Leaderboards as well as Steam Manager. Okay, alright, so let's save the scene for now. Okay, so now let's create an empty game object and name this as okay, leaderboard. Okay, now we'll add a script to this. Let's add a new script. Fetch leaderboard entries. Okay. Okay, so let's get started now with this. We will fetch some entries and put it into the debug.log. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so first thing we need to do is we need to use the namespace Easy Steam Leaderboards like this. Okay, and now let's do the retrieval of some entries. Okay, so upon start we will fetch some entries from the default Steamworks app ID, which is 480. There's a leaderboard named feet traveled, so we'll fetch those entries. So let's fetch entries. Okay, so now it's very simple. Just use easy steam leaderboards dot instance dot get leaderboard of, we have to use feet traveled and This feet traveled is present in the Steam app ID 480, which is the default one for testing purpose. This you can use whichever leaderboard name you have in your app ID. So now this is the leaderboard, and this is the result action, the result delegate, what you can do. So you get the result here. So let's name this as result. You can name this variable whatever you need. This will have the result parameters and other data. So let's go here now. Now this result will contain whether it is a successful fetch or a failed fetch. So now let's check if it is successful. So result code equal to result code dot success. So if it is successfully fetched, then let's print the entries. Okay, all right, so now for let's put I less than result dot global entries. So there's a list of the global entries which we have fetched now, dot count, and we put it inside the for loop. So now let's print debug.log entry. Let's put I plus 1. So we will put this as, okay, let's put as result dot global entries of I dot player name plus and his rank. So let's do his rank here, and result dot global entries of I dot score. Okay, right, okay, and then we will do a line break. Okay, so now upon successful fetch we will display all the entries in the debug.log. okay, so this is the leaderboard which we are trying to fetch, feet traveled. I'm not sure if the spelling is right, but we'll check once. Okay, else if it is failed, if it is not successful, then we print debug.log failed fetching because result code. We'll just print the result code here. We'll see what the problem is. Okay, all right, so this should be it. Let's try fetching the leaderboard now. Okay, alright, let's try now. Okay, let's see what it gives. Oh yeah, Steam API init failed, my bad. I haven't kept Steam running in the background, so let's open Steam. You need Steam to be running in the background with appropriate developer access. So let's just open Steam now. Fine, let's open this. Okay, so now Steam is running in the background. So now let's try again. What happens? We have an issue here. Let's see what the issue is. Let's see what I've done wrong here. There's something not right. What is missing? I think we have to restart Unity because okay, let's restart Unity once, because I directly imported Steamworks and then I didn't restart. Let's restart once. Okay, let's try running it now. Yeah, so I had to restart Unity. So that was the issue, because after importing steamworks.net I hadn't restarted Unity. So here you go, we have the leaderboards fetched. So we have the first 100 entries, which you can see here, which is printed here. Okay, this is how you fetch the leaderboard. We'll go to the code once again and take a look. So it's very simple. You just have to use one method, that is easy Steam Leaderboards.instance.get leaderboard of, this is the leaderboard name, and this is the delegate, result delegate. You can name this parameter whatever you need. This need not be result, so I can name this result 1, 2, or whatever you want to do. Just let's name this. So it's left to you what you want to name this, and that contains the result data. Okay, so this is the code. You first check whether it is successful fetch, and then upon successful fetch you can do your logic here. You can populate the UI or wherever it is you are displaying. So for testing purposes we have just done a debug log now. Okay, so this is how you fetch the leaderboard. Alright, okay guys, now let's do the upload part. So let's upload a new score. Before that, let's check where I'm standing in the leaderboard. So let's check it here first by fetching the leaderboard. Let's just take a look. So okay, my user ID is yeah, the name is rack2406. So I'm at 99th position right now. So let's get up to 98. Let's go to 98th position. So I have to upload a score greater than this number, 24,938, and lesser than this. So let's upload 25,000. Okay, so let's go here. It's pretty simple again. Easy Steam Leaderboards.instance.upload score to leaderboard. We traveled, and the new score, that is 20. How much was that? Oh my god, 23,000. Sorry, 23,500 was it? Right, 23,500, and the result callback, that is the data which contains. Let's check this. It's the similar way again. If the result code is equal to result code dot success. Now here we fetch the leaderboard, so that, yeah, we just fetch the leaderboard here. So let's put the code here now. This code, let's just put it here. Okay, let's just make a new method for that. Fetch entries. So let's just make a new method for fetch entries and then call this here. Okay, So we were in 99th position, so now we have to go to 98th, I guess. So let's try. Okay, so after the successful upload, we fetch the leaderboard again so we can see what's happening. Okay, so let's check it now. Alright, so upon successful upload, we have fetched the new leaderboard. I didn't upload the proper appropriate score, my bad. Once again we will do it. That's 25,000. Okay, it's my bad. 25,000. Okay, so we should move up one place now. Let's check. Okay, yes, so the new score is reflected. So we moved from 99 to 98. It's very simple. So this is how you upload the new score. Okay, alright guys, one more thing. If you only want to fetch entries for in your friends list, so you can do that as well. So here, instead of global entries, you can do friends entries. So this friends entries contains only the entries which if your friends have a leaderboard score on that. So this is useful if you want to display a leaderboard where you can see your friends competing against each other. Okay, so this is one more option. And then you have one more option, that is result dot Steam user entry. So this is the local Steam user, which is you. That the local Steam user, whoever is playing that game, so that user entry will be given here. So you can get the data of that here. So you can get the player name, score, and global rank. So if you want to display the local player rank and the score. Okay, so these three are the features here. So that's it. I hope you have understood the basic setup and how to fetch and upload a new score. Okay, thank you so much.